Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to start today chapter 7, skeletal system and nervous system. In this video, I am going to explain few important points of chapter 7, and the points are organ system and its type, second, the skeletal system, third, the skull, fourth, the backbone, fifth, the rib cage, sixth, the limbs, and seventh, function of a skeletal system. Dear student, before I proceed to the topic a skeletal system and nervous system, you should well aware about what do you mean by a skeletal system and nervous system. A skeletal system is defined as the system which provides support and protection and also help in movement of body is known as a skeletal system. Nervous system is defined as the system which control and manage or maintain all the organ system of human body is known as nervous system. Nervous system used to include brain, spinal cord and network of nerve of human body is known as nervous system. Now I am going to explain point number 1, the organ system and its type. Dear student, in human body different type of the organs are present. For example, lungs, heart, liver, kidney, different type of organs are present. So, organ system is defined as a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function is known as organ system. There are different type of organ system in human body. Namely, first, a skeletal system, second, nervous system, third, muscular system, fourth, circulatory system, fifth, digestive system, sixth, respiratory system, seventh, excretory system, and the last, reproductive system. So altogether 8 organ systems are present in human body. Next point I am going to explain the skeletal system. The system which provide or give shape, structure and framework of human body is known as a skeletal system. Dear student, altogether 206 bones are present in human body and form framework. But when child is born, the number of the bone present in a baby is 300. As the baby start growing, the number of bones start to reduce. Small bones fuse together and form 206 bones in an adult human being. But when the child takes birth, the number of the bones present is 300. Dear student, few long bones of a skeleton are filled with fluid known as bone marrow, and RBC is made up of bone marrow. Means RBC used to form by bone marrow, and these bone marrow are present in the hollow form of the long bones. So dear student, a skeletal system used to make framework of human body and give a perfect shape and structure to human body. Next point I am going to explain the skull. Skull used to consist 22 bones. 8 flat bone form helmet type structure and cover brain. Whereas the face region is being made of 14 bones. Means face region is made of 14 bones and 8 flat bone form cover of brain. So altogether 22 bones are present to form skull. Next is backbone. Backbone is attached from the top with the skull. Means skull at the top and just below backbone is being connected. In backbone altogether 33 small bone used to fuse and form backbone. And this small 33 butterfly shaped bone is known as vertebrae. 33 bones. And these small bones are known as vertebrae. Backbone is also known as spine or vertebral column. And the main function of backbone to protect spinal cord. Next is rib cage. Rib cage used to consist 12 pair of bones. 12 pair of bones. 10 pair of bones are attached from breastbone to the backbone. Means 10 pair are being attached from at the front, the breastbone, and at the back with the backbone, like the cage type of structure. 10 pair are being connected from the front, at the front breastbone, and at the back backbone. Whereas two last two pair of the rib cage are only connected to the backbone, but they are not connected to the breastbone, and this last two pair is known as floating rib. Floating ribs. So dear student, last two pair which are only connected to the backbone but not connected to the breastbone, known as floating rib. The main function of rib cage to protect lungs and heart. Next point is the limbs. Hand and leg is known as limbs. Now let us see the bone present in the hand and leg. From the elbow to the wrist, two bones are present, known as radius ulna. Whereas from elbow to the shoulder, one long bone is present, known as humerus. Whereas in the leg, from knee to the ankle, two bones are present, known as tibia, fibula. Whereas from knee to the hip, one long and hard bone is present, known as femur. So dear student, these bones help in movement of our body. Next I am going to explain you function of a skeletal system. The main function of a skeletal system, first it give proper shape, structure and form framework of human body. Second, it protect all the important organ of our body. So dear student, main function of a skeletal system to form framework, and second is to protect all internal organs. So dear student, a skeletal system used to provide protection and provide shape and structure to the human body. So dear student, please you read all the topic and try to understand. If any type of the doubt you find, please you call me and I will give you clarification regarding the doubt if you find in this topic. Thank you dear students.